how to unzip a file on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I will guide you through how you can unzip a file on iPhone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. To unzip a file on iPhone, you don't need to download any third-party apps. By default, the built-in unzipper in the iPhone will do that for you. In order to unzip a file on iPhone, first you have to save or move those zip files to iPhone Files app. Then open the Files app on your iPhone. After that, tap and hold that zip file and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, you have to tap on uncompress the file and your file will be unzipped near to your zip file. So that's how you can unzip a file on iPhone. That's all for this video. If you really found it helpful, consider subscribing and leave a like. I will catch you in the next one. Thanks.